Alright guys, UDR here. So I do the install video. Now in my last video I mentioned the DX2. I was actually thinking about the DX3R radio. They look pretty similar in build. The shapes and everything is pretty close. Hey, this is the radio I was actually thinking about when I said DX2, but it's DX3R. This is the new radio, the Radiolink I'm going to install. I'm going to go with the one antenna receiver first and the Mojave, and I'll probably end up putting this one in the limitless and then get another one for the Typhon, but I'm going to drop this one in for now. So I'm going to do a quick time lapse on putting the receiver in, and then I'll come back and we'll do the bind video and all that good stuff. Alright, so to get to the receiver box, you have 3 2.0 screws to remove, and then cover comes off, antenna, receiver, everything's in there. Unplug and replug everything up and you're good to go. Alright, so let me do a quick time lapse, show you how to do it. I'll be right back with you. Alright, so I got the receiver box cover off. Now we're going to unplug the ESC. Now, channel 1 is steering, channel 2 will be the throttle, and then your fan and stuff will be on the auxiliary or the other, plugs. So go ahead and be careful and unplug it without damaging the wires. And then something I do also, because sometimes the wires get a little mixed up so you're not sure which one is which. So I'll unplug one and plug it into the other one. So I just unplugged that was the throttle. So put it back into number 2. Alright, and then remove the steering and put it in 1. That way I'll mix up the wires and I have to redo it. Put it in 1. Alright, and then the fans. Remove the old receiver. Put the fan in. Good to go. So I'll put the fan in number, let's say number 3 for now. Alright, so it's all plugged up. Plug the batteries in. Alright, so now we're going to try to bind it. So there's a little button in the front of it. So I think I did everything close together. Let me get me something to press the button. Alright, so that'll work. Alright, so turn the radio on. Turn the car on. Actually, hold on. Let me raise the car off the ground before it takes off, because it can do that. Alright. Alright. Now put the radio on. Car, and then press the little, bind button. It's flashing really fast, and then there you go. Alright, so I got steering and I got throttle. Alright, so my steering, everything is good. I just need to adjust the trim and all that good stuff. Alright. So let me go ahead and turn it back off and turn it back on just to make sure everything is good. Turn your radio on first, then your car. Alright, cool. So I guess got the hard part finished. So this does have a gyro. Well, let me adjust the steering trim. I'll go over the radio as well another day. But we go ahead and get into the menu and adjust some things real quick. Well, also I could just undo the servo horn and try to center it that way first. But yeah, I'll do all that stuff here in a second. But that's basically how you do the bind process with the Radiolink radio. It's pretty quick and simple. I'll button it back up, and I'll do another video with all the menus and trying to set everything else up on it. All right. Again, thanks for watching. I'll catch you on the next one.